Hi Sagittarians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of May. Please keep in mind these general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. So whatever message comes to me, whether love or career for some, I'll read out. This will be a little longer reading than what I do in my weeklies because I want to give you an in-depth of the month. Alright, we'll take four cards. Alright, second week, third week, and fourth week. Yes, what you don't see at the bottom of the deck is a fast coming change for you, somebody coming towards you, you going towards somebody. But what it looks like on the surface is you moving away from something. You ending a situation in the second week. First week you decide to move away from the situation, and there's a certain conflict that you overcome in the third week. Finally, Page of Wands getting being in a state of mini victory, as I say, or something you really wanted, sort of a mini victory, mini achievement sort of a thing. Let me clarify the first week for you. Yeah, so the first week you're moving away from situation into abundance from where you felt stuck. There'll be communication which will help you move away. There'll be an offer which is an offer of abundance which will help you move away in the first week. Clarifying the death in the second week. Yes, fast incoming, fast decisions you'll be making. You'll be taking this offer. But again, there's a heavy depth, which keeps coming in your sign of late, that the moving on, which you are moving on, but if you see this, you're moving on with a heavy heart. You're not too happy with this moving on, though you know that the offer offered to you, the change that you're bringing in will serve you better in the future, but you're still very heavy at heart while making this decision. Let me clarify the Five of Swords. Yes, so Justice. Five of Swords says that that little argument or little injustice that happened with you is bound to sort in the third week, because you if you see the week, it's slowly you because like I told you the last week, your decision will bring you justice. Your decision will bring you change, and so you start making this decision. You start moving towards the path which the intuition asks you to, and you will from the Knight of Cups you move into the Queen of Cups energy, which is of a sense of achievement, which is a sense of oh my god, I finally got my cup. Let me clarify the Page of Wands. So yes, the Sun. So after juggling, you have been juggling or not being decisive between two situations, feeling stuck, feeling again the same pattern. If you see in your readings, there's a wall that you build around you, and finally there's clarity, there's, like I said, this sense of achievement, this clarity. All these negative emotions will turn into positive ones. This is how your month looks like. Let me see what the major arcana says. But I feel that your walking away will serve you good, I would say, from a certain situation, whether it's a love situation where because you are feeling you're not happy here. You want abundance, you want happiness, you want peace, you want more, in short. And that more will only be achieved after you leave this situation, end this situation, finish this situation, let the new situation start. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You have to let go of something, which is, again, I don't think it is difficult. You being too heavy about it, but I don't think it's so difficult, because you're clearly not happy here right now. And once you leave this, once that the situation ends, you will slowly see the progress. So I think by the end of May you will be in a very better, much better situation, very very content stage, very very clear about things which you are right now not. Let me see what the major arcana cards are. The Chariot changes coming fast. Again, beware of the heaviness that you are encountering, the Hangman. Like I said, your perspective that you're holding on to this situation which is not serving you. Clearly it is not serving you anything, but you're still holding on to it. So change, things will start changing very soon once you change your perspective. Think about it, and then get over this heavy emotions, and things will definitely, I can give you in writing, things will start changing once you change your perspective. It's very clear. Your whole reading is screaming out the change of perspective which is required from within you in order to change where you are, because right now you're stuck, you don't know what to do. Let me take out 3 cards of how you can handle this month. Satisfied, faultless, aversion to fault finding. So yes, what you're doing right now is you want to be satisfied, which you're not. You will achieve this month. That satisfaction, like I said, contentment, satisfaction will be achieved this month. What your messages are, what the God wants you to be wary of, is fault finding, because neither are you faultless, not the other person is faultless, not any situation is faultless. There are always faults. So instead of looking at the negative of the situations, look at the positive side, so that it's easier for you to decide. Because the more, it's a spiral. The more negative we think, the more we get reasons to think negative, and the more positive we think, and we get reasons to think positive. So aversion to fault finding, and nobody is faultless. You will be satisfied. Whatever you do, you will be satisfied by the end of this month, and things will look much clearer, much better, much content from your point of view. This is how your month looks like for me right now. If you like what I do, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.